Step one, unboxing. When you open your kit, almost everything you need should be in this kit. You have instructions. You have 2 rubberized wheels. 1 wheel on a pivot. 2 motors for your wheel. You have a pack here. You don't need everything inside of this pack. For example, we're not going to use this energy pack here for the AA's. We're not going to use these little extra wires. But you need most of what's in this hardware pack here. With these little black wheels, we don't need these. These are used to get precise speed controls. We're not going to need that in our project. You need these 4 tabs. They have to be in there. You need 4 long bolts. These are M3s, 30 mil. You need 4 of these spacers. You need 4 nuts. You may have a couple extra. You need 8 of these short bolts. And of course you need the chassis itself. This board here. Now it's symmetrical, it doesn't matter which side you use, but this is the back and this is the front of the vehicle.